Hi guys, it's your Island Girl and I'm back with another one for you today. And today I'm checking out how to outrun a helicopter on a GSXR 1000 Superbike by Guy Martin. Now you all know I have a need for speed and I like speed. And I get excited. All right? So we're going to get right into this one because I have to see this one, guys. Like I said, how to outrun a helicopter and a GSXR 1000 Superbike. Now I know who Guy Martin is. So, all right, people, let's get into this because this I gotta see. So if you're new to my channel, it's the first time here, come on in right back. Put a smile on your face and enjoy. To my regular schmegglers, day one, sweetie pies, sweetie poos, come on in right back. Put that smile on your face and enjoy. Let's get into this video right now. It says Guy Martin, type in it. Hey, Suzuki. Black and white. Man, my word. Dip it. Ooh. Jeez. Look at the speed, guys. Ooh, overtake. Damn, he's. Ooh, he ain't playing. Dang it. Wow. Ooh, ooh. The way he's leaning into these turns. Like, look, it's like this aerial view is amazing. I ain't gonna lie. This man is going. Oh, look, look. Oh, wow. Look at the spectators. I can just imagine their excitement just being there watching this. Jeez, you please. Look at him go. I wonder how much miles per hour he's going on this motorbike because this gotta be over 200, at least 230 miles per hour or more because you can hardly keep up with the dotted lines in the road. Man, this is amazing. Look at this. Woo. Dang. Now this is keep it's amazing. There's no one else inside behind him. He's just going. Look at this. No, like I said, it's absolutely excellent. It's beautiful. I literally have goosebumps on my body watching. God. Woo. Is he locked in the trees? I don't see nothing. There he is. Shit. Man. He riding, baby. Jeez Whiz. Look at this motorbike go. It's not you. It's not you. And here he is. Golly. It's amazing. Just amazing.
Meet the Transformer Table 4.0
Just amazing. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I really enjoy that one. I hope you guys enjoy this. Like you all know, I have a need for speed, a knack for speed. Ugh, ugh. I'm dipping and turning corners with Guy. Ah, my baby just woke up. Oh, good morning. I hope you guys enjoy that one. Still sleepy? Don't forget to rock back, relax, and continue to enjoy life. All right? Let me go clean up and brush teeth. Yeah? All right. Love you guys. You got distracted. My baby got me distracted. Love you guys. Don't forget to keep those requests coming and see you guys in another video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.